Hello. Hi, Mom. Hey, Charli. Hi. So cute. Let's go have some breakfast. Hello, Charli. Hi. Hi. I am terribly sorry about my kitchen. I say this every time I'm in my kitchen because honestly, like, living with my dad at the moment, and he has been going on with like these renovations for like 6 years now, and it's basically come to a stop. So this is my kitchen. Hi. And I'm honestly so sorry about the quality, by the way, guys. I am filming on both my camera and my phone today, so I'm really sorry about like the constant good quality, trash quality kind of thing. I honestly just love the way I feel and look in a iPhone camera, whereas on this bad boy I just look so washed out and kind of gross. So anyway, I'm gonna get started on breakfast. It's currently 8:40 right now and I am hungry. Okay, this is how most of my mornings are, you know, just chilling, making breakfast with the birds. First of all, I am
Hurry up.
First of all, I am going to be making a small little chop for the birds of broccolini, cauliflower, kale. It's looking a little bit sad, but it still does the job. Some carrots. And I'm just going to blend it up in the blender and put it in this little container. And then I'm going to make myself avocado on toast. So these girls are going to be occupied and, you know, I can indulge in my avocado on toast.
Don't fall over. OMG. Munch. Munch. Munch.
Freezing in here now. Oh my gosh. Unfortunately, the sun does not get to my room, so that's why I like to take them out into the kitchen and the lounge room, and that way we sit there and, you know, have our breakfast together. Oh, I got these new spectacles the other day. Spectacles. Who even says that anymore? I got these new glasses the other day from Specsavers. They low-key give off Jeffrey Dahmer vibes, but we're gonna hush about that, okay? Because I love them. They're so cool. You can't really see because of the glare, but they are freaking so cute. I love them so much. I'm in the mood for some thrifting. I haven't actually checked out the local thrift stores near me, and I want to see what they're all about. I do live in a retirement village Basically, the place that I live is just old people. The thrift stores around here are probably very questionable. I probably won't find anything, but you never know. And then, I don't know if you guys have heard of her, but there is a YouTuber called SARAHS Day, and basically she is a family / health food vlogger on YouTube here, and she's from Australia, so love so much. She brought out this dairy-free carbonara, and I have not had carbonara ever since I went dairy-free 10 years ago. So I think we're gonna go to the supermarket, get all the ingredients, and we're gonna try and cook it together. That could be a lot of fun, or it could be a massive fail. Just want to give you guys a little fit check. Let's ignore that. But like, yeah. Cool. Okay. I feel like it has been such a long time since you guys have been in my car. Like, I don't think I've filmed in here since, I don't even know. It's been such a long time. Anyway, we are gonna go to the thrift stores. I'm super excited, and then we're gonna go shopping. Sounds like a date. Let's do this. I'm so bad at this. I walked in there and it was just all like old lady clothes, and unfortunately, like, I feel like I can't pull off the old lady fashion like they can. So unfortunately, I got nothing from that thrift store. So I've got one more place to check out, and if this doesn't work out, then we're in trouble because I didn't get to thrift some really cool items. I am the worst thrifter in the whole entire world because I didn't get anything. I kept like umming and ahhing about this one blazer that I saw in the first one, and then I kept umming and ahhing about these jeans that I saw in the most recent one I went to. We'll try again next time. So thank you so much for coming to Thrifting with Charli. It was an absolute fail, but it's okay. So I just stopped to grab a little coffee, of course, you know, caramel latte with almond milk, you know me. And then I just had to pop into this health food store and grab some nutritional yeast, which is going to add the flavoring to the dairy-free carbonara. So went to get bacon rashers at the deli, and I wasn't filming at this point because I was almost done and I was like going to the registers. The lady that was serving me just looked up at me and she went, "You're so pretty," and I was like, oh. Deli lady, if you ever see this, mwah, I love you so much. You have just made my whole entire day. She did not need to compliment me, but she did, and she made my whole entire day. So I'm just, bless your little soul, deli girl, honestly. If you have, you know, skipped the video at all, I'm going to be creating the Absolutely Creamy Carbonara by SARAHS Day. First things first, zoodles, parsley, garlic cloves, button mushrooms, almond milk, 1 brown onion, and 1 avocado. Look how big this avocado is. Buckwheat pasta, nutritional yeast, lemon juice. Then we have olive oil, 5 rashers of bacon. There's 1 little egg right there, and that is all. Okay, cool. Now we can get started. This is where the fun begins. I've got the lovely stove from the freaking 1980s back here. It is what it is, okay? Anyway, it still works. That's all that matters. Okay, so first things first, we gotta put the pasta on. I grab my big pot with only 1 handle, and then we've got my strainer. It's not a strainer, but this is what we use to strain. Okay. Gonna set you guys down there and cut the vegetables first. That's probably very smart to do, so let's do that. Okay. We've got 4 garlic cloves here, by the way. It says 2, but we're adding 4. Honestly, call me the next MasterChef because look at that. Mwah, amazing. All right, put those over there. We have to mince the garlic. I don't think I've got a mincer. All right, we have made a nice little mess down here with our cut ingredients. So now I am going to heat olive oil in this saucepan. A tablespoon of olive oil. We're putting the bacon in, the onion, and the garlic. And the mushrooms. Just like that. Looks like the pasta is almost done. So we'll let that do its thing. What is next? we need to high-speed blender. Let's go. Lemon juice. Parsley. Need 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast. All right, and then we got to blend that. So, ooh, okay. I'm so nervous. This is going to be so weird and strange. So these zoodles that I've got are actually microwavable, so I'm just going to cook them for 1.5 minutes. It looks very creamy and it's very green. I've also made a mess on the stove accidentally. It looks pretty okay. I mean, I followed everything the recipe wanted me to, but it's looking very green. Oh, I don't know, oh my gosh. But yeah, we'll soon find out. I'm honestly a little bit scared. Like, I'm not saying that I don't trust my cooking. I do trust my cooking 100%. It's just something new. You know, I haven't had carbonara for like 10 years, so my expectations are kind of high. I should probably lower them because I don't know what we're expecting right now. Yeah, let's just try it. Oh. Okay, wait a minute. I'm not mad. Let me get a second bite in here. Oh my god, honestly, round of applause. It honestly tastes very cheesy considering it's dairy free. That's very interesting. And considering how much avocado I put in there, it does not taste like avocado whatsoever. It just tastes cheesy and refreshing. I don't know, it's got such a strange taste to it. I'm honestly very, very impressed. So, cheers. Okay, that was fun. I am stuffed. That was amazing. I'm honestly master chef here. Hello, watch out. I did get my jumper though, with a nice bit of avocado. Love that. Quality has changed once again. I'm so sorry. I hope you enjoyed the video today. I hope it wasn't too crazy. I know that my life is very boring and I know that like this video is probably not as entertaining as I think it will be. I hope you enjoyed either way. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below so you can let me know that you enjoy my content. I'm gonna love you and leave you and I'll see you in my next video next time I upload. So ciao for now.